weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee. Sponsored by Capital Credit Union.
Well, believe it or not, we are now officially on the backside of winter. Our normal high yesterday was 25 degrees. Today, it's up to 26. That's right. Climatologically, the coldest period of the year is now in the rearview mirror. But let's see what Mother Nature thinks about that. Not much. The high tomorrow is going to be close to 40. So yeah, February is going to start warm, but it's not going to stay that way. Highs on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday will only be in the mid to upper teens. Right now, we're looking at upper 20s to lower 30s across northeast Wisconsin. And with the combination of clouds and gusty winds, these temperatures are going to pretty much hold here throughout the night into tomorrow morning. Now, we had a lot of sunshine this morning, but then the clouds rolled in during the afternoon, and I had to put this little text and arrow on the time lapse here because you really can't see the sun setting at 5 o'clock, but it did. And it's the first sunset at or after 5 o'clock since November. We're gaining about 3 to 4 minutes of daylight each and every day now as we get closer and closer to spring. You can see those clouds in advance of our next weather maker, which is approaching from the west. We had highs in the 30s, so wrapping up January with a January thaw, but it is going to warm up even more. 42 in Des Moines, 48 in Sioux Falls, 36 in Bismarck. Some of that warmth is going to move through Wisconsin late tonight into tomorrow morning, and it's coming in on some very gusty winds. We will have southerly winds throughout the night into Tuesday morning, at times gusting to around 30 miles per hour or higher. Then the system's going to move through. Our winds will switch to the north and west, and as that happens, the cold air is going to start pouring back in from Canada. Now, tomorrow will be the warmest day since Christmas Eve. February coming in feeling like March. High temperatures for much of the area will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. This is going to be during the late morning and early afternoon because cold air is going to return during the late afternoon and then continue pouring into the area tomorrow night. Plenty of clouds out there tomorrow, mixing with a little spotty sunshine. There might be a flurry somewhere as that system moves through. And then high pressure builds in. But look what's going on to our south. Look at all that snow south of Milwaukee. This is the storm that was looking so promising for all of us snow lovers here in northeast Wisconsin last week, but it's now going to go to our south. You can see we've got winter storm watches here from Oklahoma and Kansas all the way up into western New York. Winter storm warnings have been issued south and east of Chicago. This storm is going to produce a lot of snow. We're talking about the threat of 1 to 2 feet of snow here from central Missouri up into Ohio, and then some of the areas that got hit so hard this past weekend in New England will get some more snow. So far this winter, we have picked up 28.9 inches of snow. And right now we are running a snowfall deficit, and really not a lot of snow in the forecast here for the first week or so of February, but lots of cold. You can see the jet stream is going to dip south, and that means temperatures will be well below normal for most of this upcoming work week once we get past tomorrow. So tonight, gusty winds and relatively warm, upper 20s to lower 30s. Of course, the wind chill will make it feel colder. Tomorrow, windy and warm, upper 30s to lower 40s. Lots of clouds mixing with some sunshine. Colder air starts to pour back into the area during the afternoon and evening. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 40. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Bridge the Gap for Autism. And we did that on Saturday. I forecast a high of 18. The actual high was 21 degrees. So Arctic high pressure builds in on Wednesday, which is Groundhog Day. Jimmy down in Sun Prairie is going to let us know if we've got 6 more weeks of winter or not, but I can tell you right now we've got at least 6 more days of winter. We'll see high temperatures in the teens on Thursday, below 0 by Friday morning. Maybe a little weak system coming through Friday with a chance for a snow shower or some flurries. Mostly sunny on Monday. Another system could produce a little bit of snow on Sunday as we start to warm back up again with temperatures in the mid-20s. So we'll be melting tomorrow, but back into the deep freeze after that. Nina?
It's long enough to clear the sidewalks of ice before it, fills back up again. Cameron, thank you. Well, still ahead.